My next guest is Ashesh Patel, CEO of Ashana Health.
Hi.
Ashesh, fantastic to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I can't wait to hear more about what you're doing, but how's your afternoon? How are you doing?
Doing well.
Yeah?
Excited to be here.
Yeah,
How about you?
how is the festival going for you?
It's great. Met a lot of people. Been with StartUp Health for about 3 weeks now, so
Okay.
excited.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Great to have, this is my opportunity to hear more about what you're working on. I haven't even been briefed on Ashana Health. So tell me what you're building.
So Ashana Health is building a digital platform to help physical and occupational therapists and patients during the rehabilitation process.
Okay.
Our thought is to create a platform that gamifies rehabilitation.
Okay.
When I say gamify, it's really, think about an exercise you have to do that's repetitive, anywhere from 30 to 50 times. Our platform allows you to do that same exercise but in a game manner.
Okay.
So think about a patient who has arthritis and has limited grip strength. Using our hardware, they would play a game that now they're accelerating in a game, or they're shooting paintball targets. But now we can collect the data as to what the actual force was applied, what was the range of motion that the patient was able to achieve, and we can cross thresholds. We can set goals, and all that data is now available for the therapist to kind of track progress over time.
So it's like a really smart Wii Sports for rehab.
Yes, that's the best way to think
You've
about
got,
it.
and you do the hardware, so
Yes.
it can tell how hard you're gripping or turning or
Correct.
speed.
Correct. So the difference from us and Wii and Xbox Connect would be now all that data is available.
Okay.
The patient can use this at home and recover at the convenience of their time and where they want to recover.
Why get into rehab? Was it something that you were passionate about, interested in?
Yeah, so my grandfather suffered a stroke about 9 years ago, and I am understanding the importance of someone who has to go through therapy. The engagement decreased significantly over time.
Yeah.
With stroke, you don't have the luxury not to recover, right? So the engagement dropped, his motivation dropped, and then he was eventually still paralyzed on the left side. So seeing the engagement and adherence not there kind of helped me to work on a product like this.
Fantastic. What's your background?
My background's in electrical engineering, but I've been working in software development for the past 12 years.
Very nice. Okay, so tell me, where are you at in development? Are you still building the product?
Sure. The 2019 was dedicated to user feedback. We've worked with a lot of therapists, patients to understand what their requirements were in a product like this. We iterated. We finished our MVP last year, and now are ready for clinical trials in 2020.
Okay, so walk me through what 2020 is going to look like. What are you most excited about?
Most excited about getting the actual device that's ready to use in the hands of our users, get therapist feedback, and get ready for our product launch in Q2 of this year. We're growing our team as well, so that will support kind of our product launch.
Very cool, very cool. So you've been with StartUp Health for 3 weeks.
Yes.
This is your first festival, your first experience with the sort of the family of companies. What's your experience been like? Why is it important to be a part of a community like this?
The community is important. My background, again, is in software development. The healthcare space is new to me. Getting the resources and the coaching is probably one of the benefits that I'm looking forward to the most. And then just the people that I've met in the past couple of days, it's they come from various breadths of the industry, getting to know subject matter experts, and then eventually, when we're ready, I think the funding that comes along with the StartUp Health community is something that we'll look at as well.
Nice, nice. So you dedicated 2019 to user feedback. How do therapists, how do rehab professionals feel about it?
They're excited, right? So this is technology that similar products are around $100,000, not portable, so it's not as achievable to everyone. So something like our product comes in at the right price point and is portable for the smaller therapists to kind of use in their facilities.
Nice, nice.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, it sounds like you're building something really unique.
Yes.
And you're putting something out there that will help someone like my own grandmother. So, thank you for putting your thought and your effort into such an important health moonshot. Ashesh, thanks for joining me in the StartUp
Thank you.
studio.
It was nice meeting you.
And happy to have you here at the festival for the first time, and hope you have an awesome afternoon.
You as well. Take care.
All right.